Hello everyone. So this is the continuation of the previous video for setting up the Android Studio for platform. So here I'm going to import one of my projects into this Android Studio. So here vendor packages services. So I have a application called my HVAC service, so I will be importing that project to this studio. So first thing we have to point out our repo workspace, which is this part Android 13, and the launch target, either number or the name you want, and afterwards the module which you want to import. So in my case it's packages, services, and the HVAC service app. So I have added that one. Not here, it's not like you can add only one project. If you want to add multiple projects, that is also possible. You just have to add and also select that particular project. For the time being I'm just going with my HVAC service. Okay, and okay, so you can enable the first option itself. I am going with the default settings, and here it is the project name which you have to give to this particular thing. Not that the module you are adding and whatever the project you are creating, it's located in different places, which means this module contains the source code, and whatever this project name and the location which we are giving here is like the configuration for this Android Studio. Okay, these are two different parts. So this is a different location. See, home ASF project, and this is whatever the name which we are giving to the project. So I will go with HVAC service, the same name I will give to avoid confusions. So my HVAC service, then finish. So it will start syncing the project. And one thing to note here is currently you can see this one, right? This build process is going on, and if you okay, I think the build is completed now. Then now currently they are indexing the source code and everything, the dependencies and source code. So what I have observed so far is this build, whatever build process happening inside this Android Studio, that will take whatever the threads available in order to build the particular module or this project. So as you can see here, warning high J count compared to this RAM, because currently my system have I think 34 cores it has, and it's taking all those cores. And what happens here now, in some cases if I'm loading a big module or something, what happens here is when this build process is going on, my entire PC hangs up. If suppose I'm playing the Spotify along with this build, the Spotify app will hang up, and also my system will hang up until these things are done. So usually what I will do, I will not use the entire the thread count as given here. I will usually I will go with 10 or 15 as the thread count when I'm doing the normal builds. So here itself it's giving a warning it's using all the threads which is available compared to the RAM I'm having. So if you are run into segmentation fault or any other, try to lower the J value. So what I was trying to do is like I was finding, like I was figuring out where I could change this value, but so far I was not able to locate the configuration where I can see this thing. If someone knows, please do let me know in the comments section. Meanwhile, I will also dig into this settings, and if I come up with something, I will definitely update the video or description. Okay, so that's a thing to note here. So if you don't want this to happen, means what I am currently doing is like open up a different terminal and run my own build command separately. So as you can see here, like my source code is synced, the index is in progress, but still we can see the source code. I have two classes written for that particular module, and it's as you can see, it's running some loops and all, and the code is like if you want okay, I don't think this autocomplete will work since it's going, this sync is going on. Okay, after that you can see all the auto completion, all the code suggestions, everything is working. So if you are using a regular Android Studio, these things are not possible unless we do a Gradle configuration along with this current project structure. So this one, this HVAC service, as you can see, it's not a Gradle project, it's a normal AOSP project. So if you open this project in a regular Android Studio, this auto completion, nothing will work, but with the support of this ASFP, we were able to do all this kind of thing. Very good. Okay, but one particular issue I have observed here is like you will not be able to edit any of the layout components here. So here I don't have any layout file because it's a service project, but I have another application. Okay, my car app, not my car app. I think I have to import another project. My car service. So I will import my car service. My car service. Okay, this is a Gradle project. Okay, you can see here it's a Gradle project. So I am importing that Gradle project here. So let it happen in the background, and also meantime I will open up a AOSP project with the okay, I think that one will be my car app. New window, I will open the car app. As you can see here in the resources folder, we have a layout file, but if I open the layout, okay, still for anything to happen here, all the background task needs to be completed, then only this auto completion, everything will work. So yeah, it's going on. Okay, so I will come to that point. So I was not able to do any layout editing using this Android Studio 4 platform. because so far I was only able to modify the source code, Java, Kotlin, or even CCP plus file we can modify, but that if you know what you have to do via this code editor like the XML editor, that you can do, but this thing will not work for the regular AOSP project. So if this needs to be work, means it has to be a Gradle project which is configured in here. So that's the thing I wanted to point out so far in this video. So our both projects have been loaded from the workspace. So here it's a normal AOSP project, not a Cradle Bridge project, which is my car app. It has a layout file which I will open. As you can see, if you want to go ahead and edit this file, you can do that one, but this design editor will not work. As you can see here, the error says design editor is unavailable until next Gradle sync. So clearly this is expecting this project to be a Gradle project in order to like work on the design editor. So it will not be possible to the like design editor works through the project setup. If you really want to do design editor, means either you create the design separately and import the layouts to here, or create this as a Gradle project and configure your AOSP build system over it. So my other application, which is this one, which is my car service, it's a Gradle project. So once you start importing that Gradle project, automatically this studio will tell you like that the Gradle build system is detected, you want to load it or not. So if you go ahead and click load the Gradle project, it will automatically configure your build accordingly. And if you select from this project structure and select Android, you could load all your source code and also the resources, everything as like a normal Gradle project too. So if you open this thing, you could see like all the layout and everything is working as expected, but for the normal AOSP project it will not be work. So that's the that's it for this video then. So as mentioned in the start of the video, to control the thread count for the build process, and also whether is there a easy way we can like edit or something like on this topic, how to edit layout using design editor for this ASFP projects. If anything comes up on this thing, I will definitely make another video out of it. So until next time, see you guys, bye. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments.